Hi guys, it's your girl Raquel. Lilcutenurse. What's going on? As promised, this stuff. I just went in the store for one thing. You know how they go? We'll do the Ulta first. I just want to share it with you guys. Mind you, I got a box over here that I'm collecting because the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty is still going on. So I had waited too late. And I didn't want to wait to order, so I went to stop and check the store to see if one of the things they had on that 21 Days Beauty set was in store versus just being online, and it was. So I ended up picking up more stuff. I actually picked this Emily, the Makeup Revolution Emily Edit, the Wants palette. I picked this up when I went to Sephora during Sephora sale. I just didn't want to throw it inside of a Sephora haul. And I had no intentions on getting this palette. I just went there really to look around. I had just left Sephora and I saw this palette and it was so beautiful. I mean, the colors, I'm trying to hold it down but up at the same time. Keep the mirror out your face. Yeah, that's what they look like. That's a really, really pretty palette. And it just kind of, you know, for the price, it knocked a couple of palettes out that I was looking at. Like that Urban Decay palette that's in a circle. It has a lot of similar. I'm sorry, they out there cutting the yard. If y'all can hear that, I do apologize. But anyway, it has a lot of similar colors. Like this green, man, that's a pretty dark green. And that's the reason I want it. And look how, ooh. Let's swatch one more. I didn't plan on doing this, but let's go ahead. Oh yeah, them some nice shadows. Give one of these shimmers. And I'm barely touching them. I'm not digging in them. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna like this palette. But I said, you know what? I really don't need that new Urban Decay palette. And this mirror on this joker is huge. I can just set it down and go to work looking at it. So yeah, it's a pretty big mirror. But yeah. And it's a nice price. If y'all, you know, looking for a substitution, I'm just trying to be cheap because let me tell y'all, I'm probably gonna mix the next Sephora sale. Probably not gonna finish this. Yes, I am. There's two more things on the 21 Days of Beauty that I want. But after that, that's it. Did y'all see the new Apple Watch coming out? Yes, it's huge. It has an EKG monitor on it where it monitors your heart, and get this, it will give you a rhythm. If let's just say you an SVT or by Jiminy, it will give you a rhythm and suggest you see your doctor. And say you fall, I'm serious. I don't mean that commercial fall and can't get up. But if you fall and there's no movement or it detects that you fall, it will call 911. And it's approved by the FDA. I was not gonna get that watch, especially when I looked at the price. $799 is the highest. $529 and then $399. I'm like, okay. But I want it. I want that watch, and I want the new iPhone XS Max. It's coming out on the 14th, I think. But I know the release date will be the 21st, but you can pre-order on the 14th, somewhere like that. So that's the only thing that will put my makeup binge on pause, is I love my gadgets. So yeah, enough of that. And then I picked up this Essence Spice Up Your Life palette. This is a cute palette. It was like $9, $9.99. And it has a lot of the same colors in that Emily Noel palette. I don't know. I saw it. It's 3 different ones, guys. I just decided to pick up one of them. Just one. Now, and then I didn't get a lot of stuff. I got, these were buy one, get one half price. These Freeman masks. I got the Freeman apple cider vinegar clay scrub mask, and I love masks. And I also picked up the brightening green tea orange blossom peel off mask. Yeah, so yeah, buy one get one half price. Oh, and I forgot about this, y'all. When I went in store, I saw the Maybelline New York Soda Pop palette. I didn't care too much for the lemonade palette, but this Soda Pop palette really caught my eye. I figured I could, yes, that is beautiful. Mix some of those colors with the Narvina palette. Look at that purple. That is so pretty. I gotta touch it. gotta touch it just a little bit. Swatch that right there. Look at that purple. Yeah, I like this palette already. I think it was Andrea Renee again. She always sending me looking for something, but at least her stuff usually be good. I'm using this one tomorrow. I know I'm addicted with palettes. I got more eyeshadow than my eyes can ever hold. And let me tell you, I put this in here because I found this a couple of weeks ago, and I have not used one bar because I want to share it with you guys. These are some natural soaps, and y'all, I found these in Walmart. For real, in Walmart. This one is hydration soap slice in Mermaid Goals, Honey and Pear. And then this one is hydration soaps Unicorn Dreams. It's strawberry, pink peony, jasmine, and amber. I think I'm gonna open that one just so we can get a sniff. And I'm gonna put this one in the shower for tonight. Y'all be having me holding on to stuff just so I can be like, y'all check this out. And again, these were in Walmart. They weren't that expensive either. Oh, dang, that smells good. That's what it looks like. And that's a pretty big slice. I think like $2 or $2.30 a bar. And that smells good. It's supposed to be really hydrating. I will let y'all know. And this next one is in Hot Mess, pomegranate, musk, and honey. Hot Mess. And then the last one is Goddess. It's juniper, charcoal, and musk. I had to share this with y'all. These are at Walmart. And let me tell you, I was looking at Walmart the other day. Would y'all believe I saw Louis Vuitton, Versace? I saw the Olaplex shampoo, conditioners, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's $28 at Sephora. It's $19 at Walmart. Or you can buy the whole 1, 2, 3 set for I think it was $60-something. And let me tell y'all, I saw Jordans. I saw everything that you can think of, name brand. That's at Ulta, and a lot of things up Dior on Walmart.com. Y'all, I'm just saying. I don't know if anybody else has seen that. I just feel like I need to share that with y'all. So let me stop talking. We're already at 7 minutes. It's just a little bitty small Sephora haul. I went in Sephora looking for one thing, and yes, I want to try the Fenty Beauty, and I know it's gold. I knew it might not be for me, but the compact was so pretty. I'm gonna show it to y'all. But while I was in line waiting to check out with that, I grabbed this Ole Hendrick 3 Little Wonders. I really like this. Not this. This right here. This what is it called? The Truth Serum. I don't know why I haven't bought the big one. I bought the small one during the sale, and I saw another one. I was like, I ain't gonna buy the big one. I'm gonna run back to go get that. So I just picked up this little small Little Wonders, and it has in it the Invigorating Night Transformation Gel and the Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. But I really want this little Truth Serum. It's $20 by itself, so I feel like these two was a bonus. I'm gonna eventually get the big one after I get my phone and my watch, of course. And then I got this. Oh, I know why I got this. The 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner from Urban Decay. These were on sale for $10, and I wanted the one in Alkaline. That's what made me pick this up. And it's just a real pretty burgundy eyeliner. I don't have a liner that color. So yeah, I wanted it. And again, they were on sale for $10, so perfect time to pick that up. And then I went ahead and grabbed this. I wanted to try it. It's a lot of reviews out on it, so I just went on and purchased it. It's the Makeup Velvet Skin 24-hour fondant. I got mine in Y505. I guess I'll try this in the morning. It's Friday. It doesn't look like it's too light. I saw a lot of reviews on this. Maybe yeah, I'll get up and try this in the morning. I'll let you guys know how it goes. If I get up early enough, I'll do a first impression video. That means I have to do it before though, y'all, so don't hold me to that. And then of course, what I actually went in store for, the Fenty Beauty stuff, y'all. I just had to get it. On my lips is my Pat McGrath. I forgot the name. If you saw my Sephora haul, then you saw that video. What is this? Oh, she gave me some samples, some Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. That's what that is. Y'all telling me to quit playing. I can hear y'all. Cream eyeshadow treatment and Dr. Gross exfoliate. Okay, I'm gonna quit playing. Let me go ahead and open. Okay, this is the Fenty the Fenty Gloss Bomb. That's what it looks like. I know y'all have seen that. And this is milk something. I remember diamond milk. I'm gonna put it on top of this, y'all. I'm just gonna smack it right on top. It's not white. It's just a wet look. Them so cool was already juicy. Now they super juicy. Okay. And then I picked up this Diamond Bomb All Over Diamond Veil Powder. And I grabbed this. I'm going to tell y'all why. I did not think this was going to be my color, but this thing here is just so adorable. Look at that. That's just pretty all over. It's just sexy. It's just sexy, sassy. And it just says, how many carats? Diamond Bomb. Ooh, that is beautiful. It has a nice size mirror in there. Let me swatch it. Oh, it feels like velvet. Really soft. Ooh, and really silver. Oh, it's not that bad. I'm going to use this little puff. This is all I got in this room. I'm going to use this little puff and put some of this on. Oh, it looks like a lot of glitter on my hand. It just looks wet. To me. Now, I'll see like y'all see when I edit the video. I like this. It just look, it's a wet look, not really a glittery look. It make me look like I'm oily all over, really. I probably need a brush and a powder. I mean a brush to go back over this, but I don't have one. I just wanted to see if would it work for me. I know somebody else wondering the same thing. That is so pretty, but I wonder will it work for me? And I can just see myself touching up my powder, but pulling out this mirror instead of my dirty matte compact. Putting on my gloss at my desk, out like that. Okay, guys, this is all that I have. I really like this. I like this. It don't look like I tried to highlight. It looked like if this wasn't my all-day work makeup and my face was totally matte, I wouldn't look dry. It looked like I had some shiny spots on my face. I don't know what it's looking like to you guys, but in this monitor, it's looking pretty damn good. I'm looking like my skin is just glowy. Okay guys, this is it. This wraps that. I will try to get up in the morning to do this foundation review. If not, I will get it did on one of my off days. I hope everybody's staying safe, having a blessed, wonderful day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright. Oops. Bye, y'all.